Okay, I want to share with you some healthy, yummy, and easy ideas to cook in your crockpot. Crockpot recipes are simple and they're delicious. They're actually a really easy way to get through your day and knowing you're going to have a healthy meal to eat at the end of the day or to throw in and have something ready for breakfast. So let's go over a couple ideas that I have that you can try in your crockpot. And these recipes are inside my nutrition resource library, which is completely free for you. You can sign up, go grab this, download it, and there's actually tons of other things in there for you as well. This is just one tiny piece of the resource library that is available to you, and I want to give you a quick peek inside. So, crockpot is one of my favorite ways to cook dinner. So, it also is great, like I mentioned, for breakfast. You can make things like oatmeal, frittatas. At lunchtime, you can do soup like minestrone or a potato soup. Dinner, it's perfect for things like chili. So, there's a veggie chili, a veggie pasta, all kinds of yummy recipes you can actually throw into your crock pot and have everything ready for you when you have time. We're so busy that it's sometimes hard to make time to eat healthy, and it doesn't have to be that way. So crockpot is the perfect way to tackle busyness. I encourage you to give it a try. As I mentioned, it's completely free for you to grab this download. It is one of the recipe guides I have inside. Some of the other recipes I have inside for you are things like healthy dessert recipes, healthy smoothie recipes, healthy breakfast recipes, meal planning, food journals, all kinds of stuff like that. This is just one of them. I hope you go check it out.